Okay, in the previous step, we learned how we can use properties in C# Unity. In this step, we want to learn a new topic to make our code and our C# script schemer. For example, we have in part 20, we have a variable which called money, public integer money equal 10. And in the void object, we will check the status of the money. If the money is bigger than 80, it prints you are rich, okay? But if it is not more than 80, for example, it is less than 80, it will print for us you are poor, okay? But look at this check status. In fact, it is a boolean. The answer of this check if is yes or no, true or false. It's a kind of boolean, you know. You are more, your money is more than 80 or not, okay? So the result will be like this, you know. Oh, I forgot to add the part 20 in the main camera. Now let's remove part 18 and add part 20. Okay. Now let's see. Look at this. You are poor. And if I add 100, it says you're rich. Okay. But how we can make this situation schemer? This part schemer. We will say, for example, we will have a variable which is a string message, okay? And at this part we'll say let's make it comment and say we just need to write the message. But what is the message? Message is equal if money is more than 80, okay, a question mark, and we will say if it is more than 80, you are rich. But if it is less than 80, let's print you are poor. In fact, we check the status of the money. Is this more than 80 or not? It is, in fact, it's a boolean, and of course this if has two responses, true or false. We wrote this situation in one line, which called ternary operator, okay? Here you will write your condition. Here the first part after the question mark, the first part is for whenever your condition is equals true, and after this double note it is whenever your condition is equal false, okay? And let's test. Okay. Look at this. It shows me you are poor. And if I write 100, you are rich. It is exactly the same with these lines, but I made it in one line. It helps me to scheme my code, because it will be like this if we ignore the print. Look at this, it's just one line. It is more clear for my script and also the next readers of my code reviewers actually. Okay, let's go to the next step.